Has a new villain arrived on the 3D printing scene? As some of you may already know, there's been lawyering action on behalf of the 3D Benchy. In just the past week or so, a beloved icon of the community has gone dark. Our beloved Benchy is going MIA. Apparently, its license is not open for remixing and reposting, and the new owner of the rights has decided to go to war over a 3-cent piece of plastic that everyone has on their desk. And I'm left asking why they had to wait until I had hours of footage printing Benchies to release such horrible news. Who will save us and help us navigate these dark times? Look no further. I will use my smooth brain and 2 left hands to save us. Although I say that in jest, I do mean it. I haven't done much with Blender in going on 7 or 8 years. So I just happened across this beautiful little tugboat that I think is the perfect and only inspiration for this design. But how hard could it be? It turns out, kinda hard. So I'm gonna lean on the fast forward button just a little bit to ease your pain. I figured I'd throw in a brief intermission from that horrible elevator music. But don't get too excited, we're not quite done yet. Alright, I can't take it anymore. I'm gonna have to mute that. I'm sorry. If you didn't mute that music, you are a champion. So, the music's gone, but that means we have to fill the silence with something. So, I guess I'm gonna talk. So, if you look at what I basically did, it's pretty evident that I used a cylinder and I just took it to the absolute extreme manipulation. I basically kept dividing it, and kind of manipulating it until I got what I wanted. And I'm not sure if that's the smartest way to do this. It probably isn't. Honestly, I tried to do it with a rectangle, and that just didn't work at all. But honestly, if any of you are Blender experts watching this, send me your pointers in the comments. I appreciate it. I present to you, for your printing pleasure, Boaty. Or if you'd rather, Derpy Boat. Either one pretty much fits exactly how ridiculous this print was. With a built-in overhang that is already kind of difficult because of the curved bottom. Lots of polygons because I forgot to smooth and sculpt my end product. And with absurdly thin supports for the roof. What more could you want? If you want a printing challenge that puts your print to the test and makes your other friends ask you why, then Boaty is for you. Boaty is for all of us who feel slighted by bad licensing and bad actors in the 3D printing community. So print your ridiculous boat with pride and give Benchy the middle finger. If you want to print yours, just find the link for my Maker World on my profile. And as always, I'll see you guys next time.